want to go look again. I want to go on a boat. That's one part of a boat show.
Yeah, one.
I'm looking at boats.
It's going far.
Wait. Yeah. When some action comes on, I'll get you guys on back here. And today we're gonna be going to a boat show. So I'll see you guys. Just talking to the owner of the water club.
Hold up. He could take us out.
So, some boats. Wait, are we allowed to go on the boats? It looks like it. Some boats. I don't know if it's cool. Yep. Tugboat. A little tugboat. Little tugboat. Okay. Can we go on a boat?
Can we go on a boat, Dad?
Yeah, a little bit. Okay.
Oh.
I'm going to show you guys some boats. See if it. Okay. Can we go on this one?
You want to go look on this boat?
Yeah.
Take your shoes off on the dock.
Okay, I'll take my shoes off.
Go in and see, right?
Okay, we're on the boat. Are you sure we're supposed to take our shoes off? I don't think we're supposed to take our shoes off. But we're in the boot.
We was just that we saw each other at the at our 35th reunion.
Ooh, there's a bedroom.
She was living on the west coast in Seattle.
Okay, let's go to the bedroom.
Here's this one.
Oh, there's bunk beds.
Oh, bunk beds. This could be good.
And of course, there's a toilet.
And there's a big bed.
Yep.
Not a bed.
No, I remember this one from last time.
Maybe it looks like that.
Yes. So we were.
Oh, there's an upstairs. I don't know how to get to it.
I'm going in the bed.
So, surprise.
Our youngest is 21. So
Or that pipe. Oh.
Onto this boat. Some boats.
Daddy, can we go in this boat? Daddy, can we go in this boat? Daddy, can we go on that boat?
no, I think we just.
Okay.
We can look at the smaller boats, but the big boats we can go in, okay?
Yeah.
Can we go on a smaller boat? Can we ride on one?
Okay, we won't. But that would be kind of funny on YouTube.
I want to go on that boat.
Can we go on this boat?
We will go on this boat. Ooh.
Can we?
You want to go take a look?
Yeah. Okay. So there's a couch.
You can keep them on. Your flip-flops are clean.
Please do not sit on. An iPad.
Please do not sit.
Please do not sit.
There's an iPad in here.
The place for you. That stuff. There's a. Oh, there's this cool bed thing. This cool bed thing. A TV.
TV.
Yeah. Controls. Okay. On to the next boat. Okay. This. I want to go on a big boat. Yeah, this one's pretty big. Hey, can we go on this boat? Is it too big? Can we go? Okay. See you on the next. Didn't upload, so I just want back out of the boat. We recorded it for like a minute because we didn't want to take them too long. So let's get on to the second one. Well, not yet. We're still gonna look at that one.
Declan, or Wim.
Put that
Yeah.
put that down.
Avery, come here.
Oh, taking a picture.
You want one in front of our new boat?
Okay. Okay, so
That's the 30.
okay, I'll make it to so you can see it better. It's gonna be hard to edit, but who cares? What is doing a car show? Usually it's a boat show inside of there.
Go look. That's what we were.
Okay, there's some images on. Okay. This cool car right here. This one's a Lamborghini. Yeah, I'm sure. I don't know if I've ever seen a Lamborghini, but that's what you call a Lamborghini. And there's cool music. A lot of people are taking pictures. Some boats. That's a lot of boats. Okay.
Let's go with
See if I.
you down there.
Gotta hold my hand though.
Okay.
One.
Let me hear.
Slow down.
Ooh, it's called a rocket mirror. It's actually a kind of cool boat. It looks like a racing, but it's some sort. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, there's a bottle in there. Okay. So, there's a boat right there. What cool boat? Where? Oh yeah, that's cool. Boat thing.
How you doing? What's up?
Okay.
Good to see you.
Okay. V8. 350. 350. Okay.
We're at the boat show. Yeah, we're at the boat show.
This is cool. Comment down below if you've ever been to a.
We have one.
No, I said comment down below. No, we have never been here before. It's two different things. Part didn't upload, so I just want another boat.
This one's cool.
This one has like a little lounge chair.
Lounge chair.
Lounge chair. Where'd they go?
Guys, this is like a real deal fishing boat.
I know.
See all these fishing poles?
Let's go down. Oh, those are stairs / ladder. Wow. Well, this is a pretty glorious bathroom. I really don't know what a glorious means. This, Avery, look at this bed. Oh my gosh. Oh,
I want to go in this bed. Oh, this is so warm and cozy. And far down. If I own this boat, I'll take this bed.
Look at this pretty bed.
so there's
Oh,
a
yeah, like the kitchen. It's like wake up and make yourself a snack.
what?
Wake up,
There's
wake up, make yourself snack.
the thing. Another bed. There's a TV. I don't know if you saw that. Oh. This is a pretty good boat. A cool boat.
If I were to choose, if I could get in
I
this
really
boat
don't-
and like live in it,
Okay.
I'll
Nice
choose.
Is there a whole shower? Is there a shower?
My favorite part of this
No.
boat is literally the bed, like under the.
Okay.
Dad, I have a question for you.
Stay on there. Get with your mother.
Okay. You want to take the picture, please?
Look at Daddy. And smile and say cheese.
shiny in my eyes. Ow.
Alright.
Why did you make me do this? Oh my eye. That hurt. Okay. She doesn't want. Okay. Oh, his I thought it was two heads.
Careful. Definitely.
Okay. Yeah.
Somewhat.
So, see you on the next one. Okay, that's it. If you liked the video, put a big fat thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, go to a different video on our channel. If you want to be awesome, subscribe. Bye! I haven't been that loud, but yeah, there's a lot of people. Here. Okay. So, and this is a kind of old boat, but yeah, it's easy to walk up, hard to go down. Dangerous to walk down. Yeah, you can put it like that. Yeah, totally. We're trying to go to the last one because there's a really cool one. Okay, maybe not the last one.
One of the cool ones. Look at that one.
I think this might be the coolest one. 2 stories. Yeah, 2 stories. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be so sick. Like, what?
Angel? Really?
Okay.
I think it's actually you're waving that doll around and hitting everyone, and then you're walking right into people.
Okay, we're gonna go on to the big boat.
Thank you.
Haven't seen me in a while. Buddy, how you doing?
Okay, we're gonna go on.
I didn't realize that. I'm sorry.
Do you want us to take our shoes off?
What's that?
I would just take my shoes off.
Yeah, no, I was happy I saw him. I almost left.
Okay, we're going on.
Come aboard?
Yes.
Sure, you got to take your shoes off. Then.
What are you doing? Shoes off?
No, he's fine. That's a great spot.
So, ooh, what's over here? Oh, you can go onto the front of the boat. This is cool. Wait. Let's start. Yeah. Mom, can I go in the front? Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, I've never done this before. So we have these little lounge chairs. Not lounge chairs. And when you like right here, little spot you can just sit. Okay. And you can see inside. Yeah, let's just go. Yeah, let's go inside.
Let's go down.
This is gonna be a cool one. It's probably gonna be this.
It's probably gonna be the best one ever. I think Clara, this is the best one.
And it's so warm.
We gotta get going, guys.
In a little bit, we want to see y'all.
We'll come back tomorrow. I don't think
You guys looking at moving up or not?
Totally going up.
No, we're not going up. That's way too dangerous.
Oh, not allowed to go in.
Can we go up?
Yep. Okay, we're just gonna go up. There's an inside, but it's locked. So, you have like a little siren table. Wait, this is turning into a.
What's your school? Is that a school?
Nope, I'm posting a YouTube video. You want to say hi to YouTube? I'm posting a YouTube video. Do you want to say hi to YouTube? Okay.
No, Dad has to do it.
Ooh, what's inside of here?
Nothing.
Nothing. I'm gonna see. And this thing that opens up. Ow. Okay, guess we're going down.
Wait, I want to go over here.
Yep, you did. Okay. What is this?